Okay, this is Nate Jackson. We're back again. We're going to go on to the next feature, which is people you may know. As you know, LinkedIn suggests people you may know. And one of the things that really uh, makes the software very user friendly is that you're going to do one of two things. You're either going to save a file name, and then click start, or you're going to upload a file that you've already created and then click start. And then the only other thing you'll need to do is that there are certain features where you're going to have to type in a title to a message and then type in your message and set timing settings. Other than that, that's pretty much the extent of, yeah, and you get so much data and interactivity with just those few tasks that you have to do. So it makes the software really simple to use. I've been working on simplicity and trying to optimize layout design. So I'm getting there, and I think I get better each software that I release. So we're going to go to people you may know. So you click people you may know, and it tells you to get that it's activated. Get people you may know is activated. So you click OK, and you want to choose a file name to save your data, and then click the start button. And I make this just brain dead simple for you. So if you're going to save a file, then you can't click upload the file. If you're going to upload the file, you can't click save the file. And it reminds you that you're going to either it's preferable to do a type CSV file. But if you don't have a spreadsheet software, you can always download OpenOffice for free at openoffice.org, or I think at sourceforge.net slash OpenOffice or something like that. But you can just go to sourceforge.net and search for OpenOffice. I don't get any kind of compensation from OpenOffice. I just really think it's a great software. The fact that they basically give you a Microsoft Office uh, type package for free. So I recommend everybody use that, and that's what I use. So you're going to click Save File and save your file name as to what you're going to call your contacts. So I'm going to call it People I may know dot CSV. And there's no reason for you to really name it as a text if you don't have a spreadsheet, because you can always use OpenOffice for free and have a spreadsheet. So we're going to click Save, and so that's the file name that it's going to be saved as. And then I'm going to click Start, and it's going to go to the People You May Know page and then just download all the results. So click Start, and we're at People You May Know, and it's just going to go through all the results and create another spreadsheet for us. And it's going to scroll down as long as LinkedIn gives us results. So we just watch it do that. I'm going to fast forward, and we'll show you what we come up with. Before I fast forward, what you can do with this, since you can't send messages, as far as I know, only to people that you're connected to or that you belong to the same group with, or if you have a paid account, what you can do with this is, with these results, you can decide who you want to connect with them, and then once you connect with them, that gives you access to their email address, and it also gives you the ability to message them. But unless you're in the same group with them, you have to be connected in order to send messages through LinkedIn, or in order to get their email address. So my software connects for you as well, and we're going to go through that feature in another video. But for now, we're just going to fast forward this and show you the results that we get for people you may know. Okay, we're back. And it says done. 1,000 people you may know saved to people I may know.csv on my desktop. And I believe, from what I've seen, about 1,000 is going to be the maximum you're going to get. And if you have an account that doesn't have many connections, you probably won't get 1,000. But I have I think we found 397 connections of mine, and I was able to generate 1,000 results. And that probably is going to be the limit of people you may know. So we're going to go to that file, take a look at what it looks like, and people I may know. Here it is. Open it. All right, so we have the profile URL, we have the name, title, uh, their ID, their LinkedIn ID, and the number of shared connections. So we scroll down, take a look here, looking good, and we're down to 1,001. So 1,000 plus our title, that makes 1,001 rows. So everything looks good, and there we are. So we can use this to, if we want to add more connections, if you want to sort it by the number of shared connections you have, you could do that. I mean, you have to know a little bit about how to sort in a Excel or in OpenOffice, but you can definitely do that, and then prioritize it by, um, let's see, yeah, prioritize it by the number of connections that you have if you want to sort it that way. Did it the wrong way. There we go. So if you wanted to add connections and see who you're most likely to connect with, that's a good way to do it. So that's and so you can add connections, and then once you add them as a connection, then you can get their email address, and you can also send them messages through LinkedIn. So that's how we get people you may know. And so we're going to go on to the next feature, which is the LinkedIn search, I believe. Let's see. Yep, LinkedIn search. And this is a very powerful feature. I'm going to be excited to run through it with you. I'll see you in the next video.